So it's Monday, time for a expanding exercise. How many of you could use to expand and kind of let go of some of the mind chatter and the junk and the tension? So let's do it together because it's easier when we expand together. So get comfortable, close your eyes if you like. And relax. Lower your barriers. And just by asking, they tend to come down, but if you notice you still have them up firmly, push them down. And start to scan your body from head to toe, perceiving your body, being with your body. Somebody a little while ago said, I just realized I have a body. And a lot of us function from not even paying attention to our bodies. So take this time to really be present with it. How is your body today? And now begin to expand your awareness beyond your body, filling the room that you're in, all the way up to the ceiling, down to the floor, out to all the walls. And from this space, now perceive your body. Does it feel different? And go beyond the walls, the floor, and the ceiling, out in all directions, connecting with the earth, expanding, expanding further and further. And now, how does your body feel? And how is your head? Is it clearer? Is there less going on? Notice how quickly you can quiet the mind by expanding out in all directions, connecting with the earth. It's not hard, but it does take a little bit of effort, just a little bit. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes. It's sort of like, building any muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets, the easier everything seems. And then staying in this space, like continuing to create it. So many times people will expand and then they'll go, okay, I'm done. And they'll go back down. But what is it like to stay in this space, to continue choosing to flex this muscle? What's interesting is you can actually get your work done faster when you are expanded rather than contracted. And you're also more aware of your surroundings, so it's actually a good thing when you're driving and when you're doing stuff is to be expanded, because you'll be aware of the things behind you or the things that are coming up that you don't see yet. Oh, and there's a gardener. I hope you don't hear that, it's kind of loud. And staying expanded in loud noises is another thing, because a lot of times when things like that come up, people tend to contract. Something surprises you and you contract. You hear a loud noise, or somebody jumps in and scares you, or you get a phone call with some news, contract. What if your natural functioning space was expanded, not contract. What would it be like to choose that? So, what energy, space, consciousness, and choice can you be to continually choose expanded space throughout all eternity with total ease? Everything that doesn't allow that, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, poads, bases, creations, and beyonds. Short and sweet. Oh, and I would like to share, in case you haven't heard, there's a new app available called access.me. You can find it on your computer or on your phone, access.me. And it's got all these recordings of classes for the last 25 years available as like a Spotify thing. And you can get a free account and listen to some classes for free. And then there's a subscription where you have access to everything. And it's awesome. And you can cancel your subscription anytime. But this month, I've been listening to the Art of Creation, the Family class, some Business Done Different classes, ESB 30 Days. Like a lot of those classes were over $3,000 each. Some of them were 10. And I've been listening to all of them for the one monthly subscription price of $275. So it's an amazing deal. So check it out if you like, and keep choosing to be expanded. What would it take? Have a great week, everybody.